Yo, what's going on, guys? Real quick, I'm going to show you how to make any image on Photoshop black and white in two different ways, okay? Firstly, we're going to show you how to make the whole entire image black and white. So if you have multiple layers, as you can see right here, we have the beach pic for our background and the Fortnite character for our frontal picture, okay? And then the second way is going to be just making one specific thing black and white. So like, let's say the Fortnite character alone is going to be black and white and the beach picture in the background would not be black and white. Okay, so starting with the first, all you're going to want to do is click right here into the adjustments tab, and then click this right here, black and white, and there you go. As you can see, it adds a filter over both of your pictures that is going to make it all black and white. Okay, so if you want to make just one layer black and white, so like we said, the Fortnite character, we're just going to want to go ahead and click on one of these layers, the black and white or the Fortnite character, the layer that you want to be black and white, and then shift click the other one to select the other one, or if you have a bunch of layers in between, you're going to want to select on the layer you want black and white, and then control click on the black and white layer, and then you're going to want to go ahead and right click and hit merge layers, and there you go. As you can see, just our Fortnite character is black and white and the background still has color. So there you guys go. That's a quick and easy tip how to make any layer or photo in Photoshop black and white. I hope this helps you guys out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment more videos that you'd like me to create so that you guys know how to do things, and I will see you guys later.